Good morning friends. Today we will learn about the structure of the atom. Atom consists of mainly three particles: proton, neutron and electron. Proton is positively charged and electron is negatively charged and neutron is neutrally charged. Means there is no 0 and 1. And the center of the atom consists of the nucleus. Nucleus means it is a positively charged particle presented in the center of the atom is known as nucleus. The relative charge of the proton is +1, the relative charge of the electron is -1, the relative charge of the neutron is 0. Means it is totally neutral. And nucleus is a smaller and dense medium presented in the center of the atom is known as a nucleus. Normally the force is nothing but mass into acceleration. Mass means some physical body with some inertia is known as mass. Acceleration is the rate at which the velocity changes with time is known as acceleration. The force and nuclear force is totally different. Normal force is F is equal to ma, and nuclear force is a normal force or natural force that holds the proton and neutron is known as nuclear force. When the two bodies have close distance means nuclear force is more. The distance is so far means the nuclear force is not good for attraction. The nuclear force only works at a close distance. When the two bodies are totally close means it is having more nuclear force. And protons forms the nucleus. Proton will only forms the nucleus. Why? Because proton and neutron only have it is circular path, and electron orbits around it. Electrons orbits around the atom. And proton and neutron combined nucleus such as helium. Helium is example for proton and neutron. And proton repel each other, and neutron helps to hold the nucleus together. It is an example for helium. And fundamental particles of the atom and their characteristics. Proton is presented with P, electron presented with E, neutron presented with N. And the mass per kg. Electron having the 9.1 mass per kg. Proton 1.67 mass per kg. Electron 1.67 mass per kg. Relative charge of the electron is -1. The relative charge of the proton is +1. The relative charge of the neutron is 0. Why? Because it is neutrally charged. And nucleus is smaller and dense medium, and it is present in the center of the atom is known as nucleus. It is a the actual charge of the electron is -1. Actual charge of the proton is 1.6. Actual charge of the neutron is 0. It is about the structure of the atom. And we go for gravitational force. It is an important force in the universe. Gravitational force means the force of attraction between any two bodies in universe, means total in the world. The force of attraction between any two bodies is known as gravitational force. We will take gravitational force. We will take object 1, object 2. The mass of the object is m1, the mass of the object is m2, and the force of the object 1 is f1, the force of the object is f2. Gravitational force is represented with G is equal to m1 into m2 divided by d square. D is the distance between the two objects. And the force of attraction between any two bodies directly proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. Means G is equal to m1 into m2. It is a product of the masses divided by d square, means total distance between the two points is known as gravitational force. The example for gravitational force is when we throw the ball through upward direction, it will comes to the earth again. Why? Because Earth having some gravitational force. Okay, it is about structure of the atom and gravitational force. Thank you.